name's Ron Sutphin. I'm the president of United Bicycle Institute. Have owned the school since 1986. And we started out training bicycle mechanics who were interested in getting a job in a bike shop or working on their own bike, and finding mechanics that take their job as a profession and actively try to improve themselves and learn more about new products. They require new tools and new parts and new procedures.
My name is John Baxter, and I'm the administrator of United Bicycle Institute. Where we are right now is in the frame shop. This is a working kind of machine shop where we teach our frame building classes. Most of our students are beginners, and they end up with a complete bike frame at the end of the class. At the beginning of each class, the students get a lot of practice in either brazing or welding, depending on the class that they're taking, and then they go through and make a full-scale drawing of their bike frame. One of the major parts of the design process is to get the angles precise. We want to make sure at every step of the way that they're really building the bike that they want to. After they do their full-scale drawing, they start building the bike. And we teach 3 different styles of frame building. We teach steel brazing, which uses oxyacetylene torches to assemble bike frames. And we also teach a steel TIG welding class, which uses low-power TIG welders to join the tubes. And we also teach a titanium class, which also uses TIG welding. Well, TIG welding is where you essentially use a spark, an electric current, and you actually melt some steel TIG welding rod to the junction of the tubes. Example of some of the beginning steps of building a bike frame. These are going to be the fork blades, so eventually they will hold the front wheel, and the student has already cut these, bent them because they come straight. They've actually custom bent them. So in this class, many of the students will come out with a bike that looks kind of like this, ready for painting, build it up, and have a bike that they like to ride. So this is our mechanics classroom, and this is where we teach students how to work on the mechanical aspects of a bicycle. So in this classroom, we have 8 benches that are equipped with tools that you would typically find in a bike shop, and students sit on the other side of the room and watch an instructor go through a mechanical procedure. The fully equipped workbench here for the instructor. All of these drawers and whatnot contain various props and examples of parts and components that students may need to know about when they're learning about bike mechanics. The students then come to the workbenches, they repeat what they've been seeing, and then the instructors come by and say, that's good or that's not good, you have to do it again.
It seems like just through our reputation, being around so long and having so many happy graduates, that we have the happy problem of overbooking where our classes are full. So we just opened a facility in Portland. We've been working on that for about 1.5 years. We just announced that the dates for our first class were available about a week ago, and it's already full. And we're real happy to be part of the community up there because it's serving as a not only national model but even an international model of what can be done with just public transportation, and the bicycle being a real strong part of that.